Good morning. It is December 5th, 2024. I'm starting a little early. It's 11:40 a.m. So, uh, you might not get the whole picture of the day, but it's looking like it'll probably be a range day, as you can see here. Uh, Quick look at the daily chart. We're at that level of resistance, and I think that's what's the reason we're probably ranging right now. But weekly chart, we broke out above it. Monthly chart, we're just in this channel. It does look like this channel might be flattening out, but um, we might get a rally. So anyway, prices in the overnight were in this broad bull channel, so basically a range. And so when it broke out here, I liked buying there. Even buying above this bar is a good buy, but I just like buying when this bar closed because you get a good price. And you might get stopped out if you put your stop below this swing low, but if you didn't, you got rewarded. And so let's see. You can see this level of support still influences prices over here. So, maybe you consider buying at these lows, but when it breaks out to the low side and then the high side, it gets a little dicey sometimes. Um, but I mean, like this one right here, I could completely understand why someone would want to enter there. Goes to the highs, comes back down. You get this higher low right here with a bare body. Um, and that one's a little closer to what would be the midline, so I think you got to sit out there. Breakout fails. Uh, I was gonna mark this as something to consider. And if you get that, that would be a really good trap. But I just can't really, we broke out here. It failed, but then it broke out again pretty strongly, and it bounced off of the EMA and this level of potential support. So I don't think you want to go short here. Pull back. And really what this channel looks like is you get a move down, a break, move to a new low, and then another strong move down, break, move to a new low. So spike, channel, spike, channel. That's what it looks like to me. It makes sense to find some support down here. So maybe you buy here and load up, and you can see the bears gave up here. Uh, there's definitely a triangle working in here. Yeah, so I mean, I think this is a good area to buy. And when we get that leg up, I was looking for a second leg up. And so once it starts to break out, you should draw your measured move. And that's exactly where people started taking profits. And so you do get a two-legged pullback. Um, I think this is a pretty high quality second entry long off the EMA. And then we just form a triangle. So it's in breakout mode. So I mean, could you buy here, buy the breakout? You could. I think this is one you would want to scalp because you're going into the highs of the day, and you can see it quickly fails. So a lot of trap bulls in here. So consider getting short with a target at least to. I thought this was a lower high, at least to the bottom of this triangle, and uh, I like this entry on this nice bear bar because you have three matching highs, so you could argue that's like a lower high, And when you get a strong bear close below the EMA, the breakout of this triangle looks like it's failing. And that's a really strong move down. And then we bounce near the lows, and you get a second entry long and well, actually the second entry long is right here, but you get a two-legged correction, big bull bar. You could consider that. And really we've just been flip-flopping since then. So could you consider this one? Yes, I believe you could. Higher low, near the lows. But this you got to be really careful when prices are in a range like this. So hope everyone had a good morning. I'll be back tomorrow.